Hello learners for change. So in this video, Gargi Didi is going to do the third part of the student vision scale with you. This is the final part of our student vision scale. So let's do this really quickly. Okay, the first part, the first part of the student vision scale was all about you. It was about you, yourself, how well you understand yourself, correct? Then the second part, which we did yesterday and today as well, was about वो किसके बारे में था? Leading others. दूसरों को कैसे lead किया जाता है? It was about that. Now, the last part of the student vision scale is leading India. Okay. So now we are going to look at this scale and we are going to try to think which level am I on right now for India. Okay, so Didi is going to explain the vision to student vision scale to you quickly, and then you will place yourself on the student vision scale. Level 1 is right now, I don't understand the values of liberty. What is the meaning of liberty? Liberty meanings freedom, okay, freedom, justice, and fraternity. So I am going to tell you the meaning. Liberty matlab freedom, justice matlab insaf, right? Fraternity matlab bhaichara, living in a okay. Now this is if you are at level 1, अगर आप level 1 में तो आपको ये values का मतलब अभी तक नहीं समझ में आया कि values क्या है इंडिया में, क्यों ये values important है. And second, right now I don't know the problems around me and I don't know what I want to change. मतलब I don't understand the problems that are there around me. जो मैं देखती हूँ या देखता हूँ, I am not able to understand how I can solve them. मैं कैसे solve कर सकती हूँ? I don't know, right? Now level 2 में क्या होता है? Right now I can give examples and practice actions towards towards liberty, justice, and fraternity. Now, what is the meaning of this? This means that Gargi is thinking that if I'm in level 2, I can give example, I can explain what justice means, what liberty means. Sorry about my cough. So, if you are in level 2, you can also explain and give examples and practice some actions towards these values, okay? And you are right now, I can understand problems around me and I can create solutions. Matlab, if I'm at level 2, I will also know what kind of problems are in my community. कैसे तरह के problems हैं मेरे आसपास. Maybe water is a problem, water available nahi hota hai, या so many children are not learning in my class, so I should do something about it. So that is understanding problems and creating solutions. Okay, now level 3. Now if I am on level 3, what will I do? Right now I speak up and take action towards liberty, justice, and fraternity. Now if I'm at level 3, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to speak up very respectfully, very kindly every time I see कि कोई यहाँ पे ये values follow नहीं कर रहा है. Okay, and what is the second part to this? Right now I understand the problems in my community and classroom and I work with others to find solutions. Meaning I know the problems, I know क्या problems चलता है मेरे community and class में, and I'm using others का help to solve that problem if I'm on level 3. Now a level 4 child on the student vision scale for leading India. Okay, what does that kid have to say? That kid said that right now I support and I help others to take action towards fraternity, justice, and liberty. So what he's saying is that क्या बोल रहा है? तो ये बोल रहा है कि मैं दूसरों की help करता हूँ, support करता हूँ in so that they can go and practice liberty, justice, and fraternity. Okay, तो मैं लोगों को support करता हूँ. And second option is right now I understand the problems in my country and I work with others to create solutions. Now over here, what is it saying? It's saying that I understand the problems in my country, not just my classroom. मेरे classroom नहीं, मेरी community, पूरे country में क्या तरह के problems है, I understand and I will work with someone. मैं collaborate करूँगा मैं कोलैबोरेट करूंगा या करूंगी टू सो दैट आई कैन कम अप विद अ सोल्यूशन विद अदर पीपल, ओके, अबाउट सम प्रॉब्लम्स इन माय कंट्री. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टूडेंट विजन स्केल क्लास. आपको आज की स्टूडेंट विजन स्केल समझा दिए दीदी ना. नाउ यू विल place yourself on one level which you think you are at right now and then make an arrow to show कि आपको कहाँ जाना है next. From this level, where do you want to reach in the next exam by after the next exam? Okay. Thank you.